Hello everyone, welcome to Logically Legal. I am Sumit Arora and I'm thrilled to connect with you as I embark on this exciting journey of sharing my knowledge and experiences with you as an advocate. I have had the privilege of working in various areas of law such as civil, criminal, electricity, consumer dispute, commercial, helping clients navigate through complex legal matters and fighting for justice. Today, I want to take this opportunity to introduce myself and share a bit about my experience and passion for the law. My professional journey as an advocate has been nothing short of rewarding. Currently, I'm practicing in the Honorable Supreme Court. I have had the privilege of representing clients in a wide range of cases including civil disputes, criminal defense, family law matters, and more. Each case has taught me valuable lessons and reinforced my belief in the power of law to make a positive difference. On this channel, I will be sharing my knowledge and experiences with you, covering various aspects of the law, legal processes, and practical tips to navigate common legal challenges. My goal is to demystify the law and empower you with the information you need to make informed decisions in your daily life. I invite you to join me on this journey as we explore the fascinating world of law together. If you have any specific questions or topics you would like me to address, please let me know in the comment section below. Your input is valuable to me and I want to ensure that the content I create is relevant and helpful to you. Thank you for joining me today. I am excited to share this adventure with you and provide valuable insights into the legal world. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And let's stay in touch on social media platforms while logically legal. Together, let's learn, grow, and make a positive impact. Until next time, bye-bye.